Okay, this is our Walmart haul. This is everything we got from Walmart, and this time we actually had to go to the store because Walmart never showed up with my groceries, so I just went ahead and canceled the order and we went to the store. And I figure it is because of the winter weather that we are getting a generous amount of snow that we are getting, and I believe the grocery store was probably very busy in the orders and they were behind, so we just went to the store and got our own groceries, which means two things. One, when you're stocking up for a winter weather week, you're going to buy more. And when you see things, you're going to buy more. That's why I don't go into the store, because it always increases the total and the amount we spend. So we did go over our weekly grocery budget, but to be expected with everything we're planning for, not eating out, no takeout with the winter weather upon us, and also this will probably last even longer than a week. So let's get into everything we bought, and I'll put the total here on the screen of how much everything came to, and then I'll show you our meal and plan for the week. All right, let's go into what we bought. We have 18 eggs, 18 large eggs. We bought 3 bags of rice cauliflower. They didn't have the florets this time, so we'll be making the cauliflower mash with the rice cauliflower and using another for a side for this week. We got a lot of protein. We got some chicken breast, boneless, skinless. We got the 3-pack of the grass-fed ground beef. So we did go ahead and get the 3-pack of that. We got the lean turkey sausage, sweet Italian sausage links. I'm going to make a one-pot meal out of that. I got these flavored. This is roasted garlic and herb tenderloins. Be a quick meal. We got some skin on, bone in chicken thighs, and then I also got the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This was on sale, so I picked it up. It is these great ribeye chops. I pick up that. We got some honey ham, and then our produce. We got some mushrooms. We got some asparagus, head of cauliflower. We got a cucumber, sweet potato, and then also protein. We got the raw shrimp I really like, the peeled and deveined and tails off. This is the large. These are large size, so I got a big bag of that. We got the chicken tenders. These are the crispy chicken tenders. And then for more protein, we got the mild premium sausage. They were out of our favorite sausage, so we just picked up that brand. And then we got some tortellini. My son wanted gnocchi, but I could not find it, so I got with this tortellini. And then we couldn't get avocados. They were out of that, so we picked up some ready-made guacamole. I got my whipped cream cheese for the week for breakfast, and then bacon also, and then the roasted and sliced almonds for salads. Okay, then over here, we did get 2 frozen pizzas. We got a stuffed crust, DiGiorno pepperoni, and then I picked up a spinach Alfredo thin and crispy crust. So we got 2 pizzas for quick meals this week, and feel like we're having takeout when we know we probably can't get any takeout. Yes, an energy drink here, some popcorn, some tomato sauce, tomato basil. We got some ranch dressing, some butter, 2 cans of cut green beans, and we needed some more mayonnaise. We also got a ton of cheese. We got Munster cheese slices, Monterey Jack shredded, also shredded triple cheddar and mozzarella, as well as sliced provolone. And I didn't realize we picked this up, extra sharp cheddar, as well as a block of cheddar. So not sure how that got in there, but anyway, lots of cheese. It won't go bad. We eat a lot of cheese. And then with that, we got some carb balance flour tortillas. I got the medium size, and then I also got the little size, the 0 net carb ones. A little more bag of the new potatoes, got a bag of that. And I haven't had English muffins in a while, got a package of that. We got some wasabi, bold wasabi and soy sauce almonds, a little can of the mild green chilies, and then our indulgent items. I got salted caramel ice cream, sea salt caramel, some Milano dark chocolate cookies, and also for salty snack, the toasted chips, sour cream and onion, then 2 bananas for breakfast. But that's everything, and now we'll get into the whiteboard and what we're planning to make for the week. All right, here's our whiteboard with the plan and the meals for the week. Here is what we're planning to have. Pork sauerkraut with that pork we got on sale. We're gonna put that in a crock pot. We have meatloaves and asparagus with potatoes, a sheet pan meal. Wonton stir fry, we still have those wontons and some bok choy and broccoli left. chicken shawarma. That's with the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That is so good. We have all the seasonings for that. We will put that in a 1-pan dish. And then turkey sausage and cauliflower soup another night. Chicken thighs, and we'll do this on a sheet pan with Brussels sprouts and potatoes. And then chili chicken verde with cauliflower rice. That could also be a lunch, so I put lunch there as an option. Pork tenderloin, the pork tenderloin in the marinade with the sweet potato and green beans, and then a lunch also chicken nuggets with those chicken breasts. So that's the plan. So here's those lunches: wonton stir fry, chicken tenders on the salads, chicken chili verde, and chicken nuggets. And then easy meals, we have those frozen pizzas. So we have quite a few options for dinner, for things to eat throughout the week, and this will probably extend beyond the week, of which I will continue to try to stretch out that budget and be creative in using up what we have first. I look forward to making those videos, so be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell so you're notified when those videos come out. Thanks so much for watching.